In front of me is iPad from 2021, and let me show you how to clear Chrome data on this device. So if you'd like to remove all data from your browser, from your Google browser, just open Chrome, tap on More icon and select History. And here you will notice Clear Browsing Data, just mark it and pick the data that you'd like to delete, so you can mark Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, Cached Images and Files, Saved Passwords and Autofill from Data. Then just mark the time range. I will choose all time as I would like to perform a full cleanup, and then tap on Clear Browsing Data. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it, it has been done. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily clear browsing data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.